Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. Pangarap.
Tusok na tusok pag ikaw ang kumanta ng Tagalog love song.
Talaga ba?
Tusok, tagos.
Kung maibabalik ko lang ang dati mong
Lahat ng binibigay ko is not enough to make you stay.
Ginawa mo yun para pilitin akong piliin ka?
Kung mahal mo ako, bakit hindi ako ang piliin mo, Joy?
Kung mahal mo ko, bakit pinapapili mo ako?
Hello, Mom.
I'd spend 10,000 hours, 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweet.
Tick, tock, tock, tock. Tick, tock, tock, tick, tick.
Hindi ako si Celine. So stop comparing me to her.
Tama! Hindi ikaw si Celine. And you will never be Celine.
Celine is dead. Hindi na siya babalik, Ellie.
Tanong kayo ng tanong kung okay lang ako, kung maayos lang ako. Hindi! Hindi ako okay! Hindi ako maayos! Kahit saan ako tumingin siya, nakikita ko niya ayaw. Trying to apologize. You're so ugly when you cry. Please. And don't tell me you're sorry. Don't tell me that. Baby, when I know you're only sorry you got caught. Come on. But you put on quite a show. Really had me going. Now it's time to
I was thinking about alone, 'cause you know I'm a little tipsy. Light me up and baby kiss me. Come and baby do it quickly. I don't wanna talk, so keep my mouth busy, little missy. I'm
Upside down, bouncing off the ceiling, inside out, stranger to this feeling. Got no clue what I should do. I'm going crazy.
I promise you I'm always there when your heart is filled with sorrow and despair. I'll carry you when you need a friend. You'll find my footprints here.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Basta ikipisalan, lekong so skidi, 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 skidi. Sa panaginip at kung sa pagising ikaw pa rin ang nasa isip, hindi maitanggi. Wala na rin naman kahit na At sa huling paalam, naintindihan na sa ating dalawa.
Nasukyan ko. Lamig kayo. Okay kayo. Cut kayo.